Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to accept an offer on Upwork. Alright, let's begin. First of all, once you are offered a job and they will submit an offer. Now, if you want to accept that offer, what you'll have to do is simply go to upwork.com and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you will see that it'll say you have one offer. So if you have more than one, it'll simply show up you have 2 offers, 3 offers, or something like that. Since I have one offer, I'll tap on the option, and then under active offers, you can see the list of all of the different offers you have gotten. I currently received this offer 3 hours ago, so I'll simply click on this option, and once you've done that, you will be able to see the details of your offers. So once you're okay with all of the details, tap on the option, accept offer, and write a message to the client. So that's basically how you can accept an offer on Upwork. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.